The next recipe I'm sharing with y'all is another 4th of July. So I think I've done like 4 4th of July recipes for y'all. So you can do all of them or just choose the one you want to do and add that to your 4th of July table. I've got an 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. I've got 1/4 of a cup of 4X or 10X sugar, whichever one you use, confectionate sugar. And it gives you a choice of using almond or vanilla. I just love almond extract, so I think I'm going to use that one. Let's see, and we just don't need a whole bunch, but that's about 1/2 teaspoon. So, and I also like mixing the flavors. Imagine that. So I'm going to put a little vanilla to go with it. Oops, that's the wrong one. That was the wrong top. Sorry, Casey. All right, so I'm just going to turn that down so I won't get powdered sugar all over me. Y'all, I don't know if y'all have been in any of the Paula Deen Family Kitchen gift stores or the Lady and Sons. This is a new piece that we started carrying, and I just love it. You can use it for marinade and put that on top. And when you're through cooking it, you can put it on that. But this makes the nicest travel container. You know, it looks so much better than one of just the plain foil ones. So I love this. So this is going to be perfect for our strawberries. Now our next step, and these are big strawberries, our next step is going to require an ease. We're going to have to do this kind of easy. And we're going to quarter this strawberry, but we're not going all the way down. If you've ever done a recipe with like Vidalia onions, you know, where you quarter them almost to the base and then stuff it with bouillon cubes and butter, this is kind of the same idea. So you just want to go down but not through. And then we're just going to kind of fan them out a little bit without breaking them. And you want them to be able to sit evenly. So if you've got one that the bottom's a little funky, you can just trim off that bottom. So this is it. Quarter. And I'm going to pipe our cream cheese into these strawberries. And then I'm going to sprinkle them with some chopped pecans. You can use the nut of your choice. So we're just going to try to fold those quarters that we made back without breaking them in two. So see how pretty they look? So we're just going to dip those into our chopped pecans. And look what a pretty little appetizer that makes.
I like it.
I like it too. Why don't we have one? So who would like a strawberry? Come on. That's a big one right there. I think I want a little one.
So good.
It's good and it's refreshing. And fairly healthy.
Half.
Huh?
Half of it.
Yeah. The red part. I'm going to steal another nut. I think y'all will like this, and it certainly makes a statement, and it's relatively easy. Just make sure in selecting your strawberries that they're nice and ripe. Happy 4th, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.